If you want to manage app notifications on CMF Phone 2 Pro, first of all, we can go to Settings, and then you have two options. You can, for example, go to Notifications in order to choose App Notifications, and over here you can immediately turn on or off notifications for these examples. You can also switch from Most Recent to All Apps, and then in All Apps you should be able to find every app and the switcher on the right side that allows you to turn on or off these notifications, and you can tap on the app itself in order to find more notifications in some cases over here. So you can disable or enable specific notifications. And there is also another way. This time we can go to apps over here. And if you go to see all apps, then first you can choose the app that you want to manage. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here. And then we have notifications, which can once again be enabled and disabled. And then once again, you can also customize specific notifications, at least in some cases. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!